We were sent this 48,000 BTU outdoor patio heater. We're really excited because it's going to make this outdoor space so much more enjoyable with that great output of heat, and it should be pretty easy to install. My husband's going to show us how to put it together right now.
The installation of this patio heater is really easy. It comes with everything that you need to be able to assemble, really easy to follow instructions. And one of the nice tips about this, if you have your own toolkit, makes it go even faster, because the wrench that they come works great, but you get a far more efficiency with your own toolkit. If you have a socket wrench, that is perfect. So I'm gonna go grab mine to make this far easier, but you're gonna love this. All right, now we get to put the hood over, and this is the cover that goes over the propane tank when it's in there. Look at how beautiful this is. Really good detail, really excellent quality, really sturdy as well. Excited to be able to get the rest of it put together here. Now we'll put the stand on here for the heating element to go in there. This is coming together perfectly. Just in time for us to really enjoy the evening here as it's starting to get dark. Here's the moment of truth, the first ignition. Look here, propane tank is installed in there. Really easy how everything came together. So what you're gonna do is this knob here, you push it in, turn it to on. You'll hear the gas flow. This is the electronic ignition. Push it, boom. Hold it down for about 30 seconds because it has a thermocoupler in there that has to heat up to make sure that when you release the knob, the gas still flows. It's a safety mechanism. So hold it down for a little bit. I can already feel the heat radiating into my face here. Feels great. Okay, we can let it go now. And then this here, if you want to turn down the heat, you turn this knob here to turn it down or turn it up. Wow. This is going to be such a nice addition here to the outdoor space.
The heat that this gives off is incredible. Definitely keeping me warmer right now. Also, I love that you have this area where you could set a cup down if you needed to while you're socializing or gathering around the beautiful heat lamp. I love it, and I think you're going to love it as well.